Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to do a pocket design. So I already cut out 12 inches by 8 inches. So right now I put my hairstay on it. So this hairstay is actually optional. I put mine because the cloth is slanty. I cut it slanty. So after gumming it, I went ahead to mark out 4 inches on each side of the material. Then I used that as a guide to bend the cloth down. So whenever you're pressing or making a pocket or making anything generally on sewing, make sure you make use of the pressing pieces. The reason being that it will avoid you from staining your fabrics unnecessarily and equally creating shine on the fabric. So right now I'll be using half hemming gum because the design is not really wide. So I put it at the center, sprinkle water and give it a press. So guys, I want you to pay close attention. The design is not really hard, just that you need to be very intentional with your details. So whenever you are done gumming, make sure you cool it. You open it up and then you iron out the line. Make sure it's a proper ½ inch. So now we'll continue towards the side that has big material. You repeat the same process over and over again. So guys, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed to this channel, I'll urge you to subscribe, to hit the notification bell, and also join us in our YouTube channel. Join us in our WhatsApp group. I have a WhatsApp group and the link is in the description of this video and equally in the channel description. So guys, I would like to know where you're watching me from the comment section. I want to know where my fans are and I want to specially greet you. So guys, I would like you to comment the country you are watching from. If you are watching from Uganda, you comment, I'm watching from Uganda. Love from South Africa. Let me give you a like. Let me also reach out to you. I would like to speak with you one-on-one in the comment section. So guys, I'll be waiting to hear from you. Thank you. So this is actually the final design, which is the final printing, because it's 3 lines according to the pocket design. So it's 3 lines we'll be making, and this is the last line. So afterwards we go ahead to the sewing machine to do the final process. So as you can see guys, it's not really hard. It's not hard at all. It's just about being intentional about getting everything accurate. Nothing more. Nothing really the tailoring. Tailoring is a very simple skill. Just once you put your mind to do it, you'll do it. So this is the final design, and then we'll be cutting out the color gum that will be used to finalize this process. So whenever you're cutting your gum, make sure you pay close attention to the details, to the design of the clothes. So now this is the pocket, 4.5 inch by 6 inches. So I place it on the back of the design, arrange it properly, make sure there's enough gap, or make sure the gap is balanced according to the design I want. So whenever you are creating a pocket like this, make sure your eyes is always on the design. Make sure you don't lose track of what you're doing. So right now we'll shape off the curved parts because we'll be piping that side of the clothes. So now you cut out a pipe, the normal piping you use for your neck. That's what we'll be using here to sew it and turn it. So here we are at the machine. You place it and sew at 1/4 inch all around. Make sure you maintain the same allowance all through the sewing process. 1/4 inch. Then after we've done that, we turn it up, and then I'll be going to the table to iron this thing out exactly as it is here. We'll press it out and make sure it's flat enough. So right now I've done that, I've ironed it, put a hemming gum underneath, and then I'll be gumming the top part, and then the pocket is almost ready. So guys, if you've watched this video to this particular point and you've not subscribed to this channel, I'll urge you to do so, because I'll be posting content here on a regular basis. Content that will help you to upgrade your skills. I'll help you to become a better fashion designer. So kindly subscribe, hit the notification, like this video, and that will be it. So as you can see, the pocket is almost ready. So we fold the last part, the last side of the pocket, and then boom, our pocket is ready. So guys, thank you for sticking around to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial to the very end. I would like to know your thoughts on it through the comment section. Let me know if you have any question, and I will attend to you accordingly. So thank you guys. So please, there will be a link here to another video. Please kindly watch it. It's also another pocket design that will actually trigger your creativity in the fashion industry. So thank you guys. Have a blessed day.